You see people arriving for their trip in Thailand with huge suitcases or backpacks at Suvarnabhumi airport in Bangkok. What are they bringing? And what should they have left behind? Let's find out in this video. Most of the stuff in their suitcases either they don't need, or they can buy in Thailand. Whatever you pack, remember to have luggage tags on all your bags, so they are easy to identify at the airport. The Thai weather and what to wear. Thailand is hot and humid year-round. It can get colder in the morning and evenings in the northern part of Thailand during the winter, so if you are going there you may need a fleece and a jacket for the rainy season. However, it's hot and humid in the rest of the country, so you only need summer clothes, and maybe a plastic poncho if you come during the rainy season. You mainly need shorts and t-shirts for guys, and shorts or sarongs for ladies. However, these are cheap in Thailand, so why pack them? Why not buy them when you arrive, and get some new designs people won't have back at home? Because of the tropical climate, I would strongly suggest you do not pack polyester and wool clothes. Let the clothes on your Thailand packing list be breathable and loose. Fabrics like cotton and linen work best for traveling in Thailand. There are some places like sky bars and nightclubs, and maybe some restaurants which have their own dress codes, so bring some better clothes if you intend to go to such places. Remember to forget your high heels, as the pavements are very uneven everywhere in Thailand. Bring comfortable shoes, as you could be doing a lot of walking in Thailand, going to tourist attractions, and to the beach. You have to take your shoes off frequently in Thailand. Whether you're entering someone's house or exploring a temple. Instead of wasting time unlacing impractical hiking boots or strappy sandals every time, pack a pair of slip-on shoes. Also, remember to bring a waist pack to carry important items around with you. Dress protocols in Thailand. Thailand is a modest country despite what you may have heard and seen in certain areas. Don't wear beach attire unless you are at the beach, and dress modestly at the temples, covering your legs and shoulders. Toiletries. You can get everything you need at the local 7-Eleven, which is everywhere, or at the nearest chemist. However, if you have some specific stuff for your skin or personal medicines, then bring them with you, and save time looking for them. Sunscreen is readily available here, as are sunglasses and hats. Electronic devices. All shopping malls have chargers, cords, adapters, etc. for your electronic devices, so no need to worry. Cash. I know lots of you carry credit cards, and have online banking, but bring some cash and you will at least save the international transfer fees, or the bank charges when you use the ATM. Immigration and customs. Remember to start your trip without any mistakes at immigration and customs. Make sure you have the right visa for your planned stay in Thailand. Also, only bring in your legal limit of cigarettes and alcohol, and check the restrictions on food and fruit. You are also banned from bringing narcotics, pornography, or vaping materials into Thailand. Other useful things to bring in your suitcase or backpack. What else you will need to bring will depend if you are backpacking, or on a family holiday. Some things you may find useful to have are a day bag, quality flip-flops, a mini LED torch, a reusable water bottle, a waterproof phone pack, and an refilled passport and credit card holder. Also useful to have are copies of your passport and ID when renting a motorbike, and remember to bring an international driver's license. Things to get before you leave your own country. Vaccinations. Check what injections you need to get or renew at least 8 weeks before you go to Thailand: hepatitis A and B, tetanus, typhoid, and possibly rabies, plus maybe malaria tablets, although they are usually not required. 2. Travel insurance. Make sure you have travel insurance that covers your full range of activities, for example scuba diving. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to help the channel grow.